Good afternoon, office staff of Professional Business Associates. As you may know, our entire office is transitioning to Outlook email. This is a training video to assist you with the basics of Outlook. I hope you find this helpful during our transition. Let us begin by constructing a new email. This can be done by clicking on the New Message button at the top left-hand corner of your Outlook mail screen. Once you have done this, a blank email message screen will come up on your web page. To begin, we will address our email to outlookproject@nic.edu. We will also want to remember to CC our boss at mickeymouse2@nic.edu. It is important to include a subject line in all of your emails. For this email, our subject line will be Transitioning to Outlook Email. As you can see, our email body has been constructed down below. Now that we have created our email message, we will go over how to change the text format for all outgoing messages, create a signature to include in emails, and set up automatic replies. To begin, we will click on our settings button at the top right-hand corner of our web page. Down below, you will select the View All Outlook Settings link. This will bring you to our Outlook settings window. You will want to ensure that the Mail tab on the left-hand side is selected. This is where you will find all of your setting options available to you to customize your email. Our first customization will be our email signature. We will want to click on the Compose and Reply tab. Email signature will be the first option you see at the top of the page. In the box provided, you will want to create your preferred signature. As you may see, I have completed my preferred signature. Once you have adjusted your signature to your preference, you will want to go below the message box and ensure to select the Automatically Include My Signature on New Messages that I Compose box. You will also want to check the box that says Automatically Include My Signature on Messages I forward or reply to. Once you have completed these steps, you will want to save your changes. Once you have saved your changes, we can move on and learn how to change our text formats. When you scroll down from the email signature, the second option you find is the message format. This is where you will change the text format for all of your emails. In this case, we will be formatting our emails to black 12-point Times New Roman font. Once you have done this, remember to save your changes. The changes you have made will now be applied to all of your emails. Next, we will move on to our last step. We will be customizing our automatic replies. On the Outlook settings page, you will want to remain on the Mail Settings tab. You will drop down on the list and click the Automatic Replies tab, and this will bring you to the section where you will use automatic replies to let others know you are unavailable and cannot respond to their email. Our first step would be to turn on our automatic replies. We will also want to check the box that says Send replies only during a specific period. I will be doing so because I will be away from my desk for vacation for a specific period. You will want to fill out your specific time period accordingly. In this case, I will be on vacation starting on December 8th, 2020 at 4 p.m. and it will end on December 11th, 2020 at 4 p.m. Once you have filled out your time period accordingly, you will create the automatic reply that will be sent to individuals who you have received an email from during this time. It is important to note that you can send a particular email to individuals inside your organization, and you also have the option to send a customized email to individuals outside of your organization. Yes, you will have to include your message in both boxes. You may use the same message for both automatic replies, or you may customize accordingly. In this case, I will be using the same automatic reply email for both individuals inside my organization and outside of my organization. Once we have completed those changes, we are free to return to our email. We will want to make sure to save our changes. Now we can return to our email to make our final changes. Once we have returned to our email, we will insert the signature if it is not already present. You can do this by clicking on the three dots up top, going down to Insert Signature and clicking on Insert Signature. You will see your new signature will show up at the bottom. Next, I will be adding a professional image above the signature line in my email. Lastly, I will be requesting a read receipt for this email by going up to the Outlook email taskbar and selecting the three dots again. By selecting this button, you will drop down and click on the Show Messages options. This is where you will find the option to select a request for a read receipt. You will want to click OK. Now that you have done so, you will be notified when your email has been opened by the receiver. As we come to a close, we will want to proofread our email. Once we have proofread our email, we are safe to send it. I hope this training video is helpful to you as we go through this transition. Have a great day!